Yo, I'm going to teach you how to get a girlfriend. So, basically, I'm just going to teach you the psychology about women that I've learned over the years. Um, First of all, don't be needy, okay? Don't think, oh, I need a girlfriend, because that'll turn them away. Don't be desperate. Don't be needy. Um, you got to be confident on your own. Yeah, another thing is confidence. You want to be confident. Um, and if you keep the promises you make to yourself, that's confidence right there. So working hard when you say you're going to do something, do it, and working hard um, towards your purpose. That's another thing is have a purpose, guys. Like, don't just don't your purpose shouldn't be just to get a girlfriend. Your purpose should be make the world a better place, contributing to something. Even as a young kid, like you should be working towards something, whether it's athletics, whether it's academics, whether it's YouTube channel or whatever your passion is, your purpose is. Try to I encourage you to pursue something else because when a girl sees that you have a purpose, she's going to be more attracted to you. So I encourage you to have a purpose. Um, so don't be desperate. Um, don't be desperate. Don't be needy. Um, be confident. Keep the promises you make to yourself, and then also have a purpose in your life. Um, don't just be, like I said, your sole focus should not be to get a girlfriend. It should be to uh, pursue other people, to serve other people and serve God. Um, it shouldn't be to just get a girlfriend because they're going to see that and then they're going to actually be less attracted to you if she's going to be less attracted to you, and you're going to eventually lose her if you don't pursue something meaningful in your life, like serving other people, serving God, serving your community, serving your church or whatever. So yeah, and then as well as, it doesn't hurt to get in shape. You know what I mean? Pursue that. That's another thing to keep in mind. It doesn't hurt to keep in shape, to get in good shape. And obviously, it's not all about that, but looks do play a part. So, looks are the first thing she sees. So, just, yeah. And I encourage you to build something, like I said, whether it's a business or, I know it's as a young guy, you're not focused on building a business or whatever, but you, ultimately, when you're a kid, you want to prepare yourself for adulthood. I wish somebody would have told me, becoming a young man is going to become quicker than it's going to go quicker. Your childhood is going to go by fast, so be sure to prepare yourself. I wish somebody would have told me that sooner, or at all, but prepare yourself for marriage, prepare yourself for providing for a family at a young age, and provide for yourself at a young age, and you'll be ahead of the game. And yeah, so God bless. Have a great day.